Spice Fire, the Red Chili Saga, invites viewers on a fiery journey into the world of red chili peppers, exploring their origins, diverse varieties, culinary impact, and the sensation they bring to cuisines worldwide. The documentary kicks off by tracing the fiery origins of red chili peppers, exploring their native habitats and the journey that spread their heat across continents. Uncover the fascinating history of how chilies became a global sensation. Explore the diverse world of red chili varieties, from mild to scorching hot. Horticulturists and spice experts guide viewers through the palette of red chilies, showcasing the unique flavors and heat levels each variety brings to the table. Step into the spice fields where red chilies thrive. Learn about the meticulous cultivation process, from planting the seeds to harvesting the fiery fruits. Farmers share their experiences, highlighting the challenges and rewards of growing red chilies. Delve into the culinary world of red chilies, as chefs and home cooks showcase their skill in incorporating this spice into a myriad of dishes. From street food to gourmet cuisine, witness the transformative power of red chilies in elevating flavors. Explore the science of spiciness with a journey through the Scoville scale. Experts break down the measurement of heat in red chilies and discuss the physiological and cultural impacts of spice tolerance. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of chili festivals around the world. From hot sauce competitions to chili cook-offs, experience the celebration of all things spicy and the diverse ways cultures embrace the red chili. Uncover the medicinal properties attributed to red chilies in traditional and modern healing practices. From pain relief to boosting metabolism, explore the health benefits associated with consuming this fiery spice. Spice Fire, the Red Chili Saga, examines the global impact of red chilies on culinary trends, economies, and international trade. Explore how the chili revolutionized cuisines and became an integral part of the global spice trade. Spice Fire, the Red Chili Saga, concludes by celebrating the bold and fiery spirit of red chilies. This documentary invites viewers to embrace the heat, appreciate the diverse world of chili varieties, and recognize the profound impact of this spice on the global culinary landscape.